A 120Hz display, 5G performance, 45 fast charging, and a massive 6,000 mAh battery. Could the Infinix Hot 70 Pro become the best budget smartphone in its class? Let's find out. Welcome to Tech by Natura, your home for honest smartphone reviews, comparisons, and the latest tech updates to help you make smarter buying decisions. Now let's look at everything currently known about this device. The Infinix Hot 70 Pro is expected to feature a 6.76-inch Full HD Plus display. This means you can expect smooth scrolling and a much better overall experience when gaming. Under the hood, rumors point to the MediaTek Dimensity 7000 5G processor. That powerful chip brings fast 5G speeds and seamless daily multitasking performance. It will handle demanding mobile games much better than older Hot series models. You can also expect generous RAM allocations to keep apps running smoothly. Plus, there's plenty of onboard storage space for all your heavy files. For photos, it's expected to pack a sharp 50-megapixel main camera sensor. Built-in AI camera features will help automatically optimize color and lighting. Flip it around, and you'll find an 8-megapixel front selfie camera. While it looks promising on paper, we'll need real-world samples to judge. Battery life is shaping up to be the phone's biggest selling point. Reports suggest a huge 6,000 mAh battery that easily lasts all day long. It pairs with 45-watt fast charging to get you back to full quickly. For heavy power users, this massive battery setup is a total game changer. On the software side, it's expected to run the new Android 16. It will feature Infinix's custom XOS skin layered right on top. With 5G connectivity and a faster UI, the user experience feels premium. It's a massive leap forward compared to previous generation Hot devices. So, should you be genuinely excited for the Infinix Hot 70 Pro? It definitely looks like a highly competitive option for budget buyers. But remember, these early details are based strictly on current market reports. Final specifications could easily change before the official launch event happens. What do you think? Would you buy this or choose something else? Let me know below. Drop a like and subscribe to Tech by Natura.